But if I shall love others, how can I be sure that they, in return, will love me?
Do you seek love or barter?
But if I love others, and they do not love me, I shall feel great pain.
That is what you risk, Grasshopper. Great pain or great joy. Great joy. Great pain, great pain, great pain or great joy.
You would make a big mistake.
A big mistake.
Big mistake.